Preparation of sulfur dioxide, SO2. Sulfur dioxide comes under P block elements 2 in State Board, Tamil Nadu State Board, 12th chemistry book. Preparation of sulfur dioxide, SO2. Sulfur dioxide, first preparation from sulfur. A large scale production of sulfur dioxide is done by burning sulfur in air. Sulfur plus oxygen gives sulfur dioxide. About 6 to 8% of sulfur is oxidized to SO3. So, when air is burned with sulfur, sulfur dioxide is formed. Along with the sulfur dioxide, 6 to 8% of sulfur is also oxidized to sulfur trioxide. S plus O2 gives SO2, and along with the SO2, a small amount of SO3 is also formed. Then, from sulfide, when sulfide ores such as galena, PBS, zinc blende, ZNS are roasted in air, sulfur dioxide is liberated. We know what is meant by roasting. Heating a metal sulfide in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. Heating a metal sulfide in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. So during roasting, the sulfur present in sulfide undergo oxidation and liberate sulfur dioxide. The reactions are large amount of sulfur dioxide required for manufacturing of sulfuric acid and other industrial purpose is prepared by this method. So, large amount of sulfur dioxide required for manufacturing of sulfuric acid and other industrial purpose is prepared by this method. ZNS zinc blende undergo oxidation gives ZnO and SO2. Here sulfur undergo oxidation gives sulfur dioxide. Iron pyrite, ore of iron, when oxidized, roasting, it is converted into ferric oxide with the liberation of SO2. Second method of preparation of sulfur dioxide. Laboratory preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is prepared in the laboratory by treating a metal or metal sulfide with sulfuric acid. A metal, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, metal undergo oxidation gives copper sulfate, and sulfuric acid undergo reduction gives SO2. So in this reaction also SO2 is liberated. A sulfite, when treated with sulfuric acid and also produce SO2. Example of sulfate is sodium sulfate. When treated with sulfuric acid, gives sodium sulfate, SO2 and H2O. These are the preparation of sulfur dioxide. Now we are going to see how these reactions are takes place. Individual explanation with writing equation. Wait. Preparation of sulfur dioxide. First preparation is from sulfur. First preparation is from sulfur. A large scale production of sulfur dioxide is obtained, prepared. Large scale production of sulfur dioxide is done by burning sulfur with air. Burning sulfur with air. When sulfur is burned in air, that means oxygen, it is oxidized into sulfur dioxide. How to say it is oxidation? Element in free state oxidation state is 0. In sulfur dioxide, sulfur oxidation state plus 4. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Oxidation number increases called oxidation. In this preparation, 6 to 8% of SO3 is also formed in this reaction, a very small quantity. Sulfur, when oxidized, when burning with air, a very small amount of sulfur trioxide is also formed. How to balance the second equation? Here oxygen even number, odd number, odd before even, even before odd. That oxygen is balanced. 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6. 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur. So this is the first method of preparation of sulfur dioxide. Second method, from sulfide, S2 minus ion, from sulfide ion, how sulfur dioxide is prepared. During roasting of sulfide ore, when sulfide ore is roasted, for example, zinc blende ZnS, zinc blende, important ore of Zn, when roasted in the presence of oxygen. What is meant by roasting? Heating the metal sulfide in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. Zinc combined with the oxygen forms zinc oxide, but remember, zinc not undergo oxidation, only sulfur undergo oxidation and liberate sulfur dioxide. In this reaction, sulfur undergo oxidation. How to say sulfur undergo oxidation? See, the oxidation state of sulfur in S2 minus is, in ZnS is 2 minus, zinc 2 plus, sulfur 2 minus. In sulfur dioxide, sulfur oxidation state is +4. So when you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases. So sulfur is only undergo oxidation, not zinc. Zinc in zinc sulfide 2 plus and also in zinc oxide 2 plus. How to balance this reaction? Oxygen is in the molecular state. So we can balance this reaction by fractional method. In the fractional method, first we have to balance other element except oxygen. We have two other elements, one is zinc, another one is sulfur. One Zn, one sulfur, one sulfur. Already other elements are balanced. In the second step, count the number of oxygen atom which are present opposite to the side of the O2. O2 க்கு opposite side ல எத்தனை ஆக்சிஜன் இருக்குன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. 3 ஆக்சிஜன். இங்கே ஏதாவது ஆக்சிஜன் இருக்கா? இல்லை. Now ask a question. We require 3 oxygen. 2 into dash equal to 3. 2 into 3 by 2 equal to 3. To cancel the fraction, the whole equation is multiplied by the denominator quantity. The whole equation is multiplied by the denominator quantity. When you multiply, you will get the final equation 2 ZnS plus when multiplied by 2 3O2 roasting, when multiplied by 2 2ZnO and 2SO2. This is the balanced equation. And this is one of the reaction. Sulfide during roasting gives or liberates sulfur dioxide. One more, the important ore of lead is galena. Important ore of lead is galena. PBS, galena. When roasted with the oxygen, roasting means heating in the presence of oxygen. Lead in lead sulfide is 2 plus and sulfur is 2 minus. Lead react with the oxygen and form lead oxide with the liberation of SO2. Sulfur dioxide gas is liberated. In lead oxide also, lead is in +2 oxidation state. There is no oxidation change of lead, oxidation state of lead, but sulfur oxidation state -2. In sulfur dioxide it is +4. Therefore, when you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases. So it is called oxidation. Oxidation number increases. Therefore, it is called oxidation. How to balance this reaction? Like the previous reaction, we can balance it. Oxygen is in the molecular form. Therefore, we can balance by fractional method. In fractional method, except oxygen, other element balanced first. One lead, one sulfur, one sulfur. Count the number of oxygen atom opposite to the side of the molecular oxygen. Right hand side we have 3 oxygen, left hand side no oxygen except this. So we require 3 oxygen. Ask a question, 2 into dash equal to 3, 2 into 3 by 2 equal to 3. To cancel the fraction, now multiply all the whole equation by the denominator quantity 2. You will get 2 PbS plus 3O2 during roasting gives 2 PbO plus 2 SO2 liberation. So this is also an important method. A sulfide ore during roasting gives or liberate sulfur dioxide. One more sulfide ore, that is iron pyrite. Iron pyrite molecular formula FeS2, iron pyrite. The structure of iron pyrite is S double bond Fe double bond S. This is the structure of iron pyrite. So around iron there are how many bonds? 4 bonds. There are 4 bonds. So actually molecular formula FeS, iron 4, sulfur 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. The molecular formula for iron pyrite is FeS2. Iron pyrite FeS2 when roasted with oxygen, iron 4 plus is converted into 3 plus. Oxygen always 2 minus, iron ferric, so that 2 is here, this 3 is there, plus liberation of SO2 in gaseous state. This is where iron pyrite ore of iron. Iron pyrite ore of iron. How to balance this equation? Oxygen is in the molecular form. Therefore, we can balance this reaction by fractional method. In fractional method, the first step we have to balance other element except oxygen. Other elements are iron and sulfur. Here we have 2 iron and 2 iron, 4 sulfur, 4 sulfur. How many oxygens? Second step, we have to count the number of oxygen opposite to the molecular oxygen. 4 into 2 are 8, 8 plus 3 equal to 11 oxygen on the right hand side. Left hand side must 11 oxygen. So here there is no oxygen. 2 into dash equal to 11. 2 into 11 by 2 equal to 11. When the whole equation is multiplied by the denominator quantity, you will get the final equation 4 FeS2 plus multiplied by 2 11 O2 on roasting is 2 Fe2O3 plus 8 sulfur dioxide SO2. So this is same roasting of sulfide ore liberate sulfur dioxide. The next method of preparation is laboratory preparation. Laboratory preparation of sulfur dioxide. Laboratory preparation of sulfur dioxide. The reaction is the metal when treated with sulfuric acid. Metal when treated with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Copper when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4 gives copper undergo oxidation gives copper sulfate with the liberation of SO2 in gaseous state and loss of H2O water molecule. 2 sulfur, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. How this reaction takes place? We are going to see the stepwise reaction. In the first step, what happens? copper Cu undergo reaction with sulfuric acid H2SO4. Copper undergo oxidation. Copper last 2 electron becomes copper 2 plus ion. That copper 2 plus ion combine with the SO4 2 minus ion. Copper 2 plus SO4 2 minus, therefore valencies get cancelled and nascent hydrogen is produced. 2 nascent hydrogen is produced. Copper undergo oxidation. We know copper oxidation state is 0, element in free state, here 2 plus. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases. Therefore, this is called oxidation. And in the second step, sulfuric acid undergo reduction. H2SO4 sulfuric acid when reduced, sulfuric acid when reduced by nascent hydrogen, it gives SO2 sulfur dioxide and water molecule H2O. How it is reduction? In sulfuric acid, sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation state and sulfur dioxide plus 4 oxidation state. Decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. Decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. Balance equation: 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen, everything is balanced. When we add these two reactions, we will get the final reaction. Which one is cancelled on either side? 2 hydrogen get cancelled. So there is no other cancellation. Now you have 1 copper plus how many sulfuric acid? 2 molecules of H2SO4 concentrated sulfuric acid gives copper sulfate CuSO4 with the liberation of SO2 in gaseous state plus how many molecules of water? 2 molecules of water. We are adding these two reactions. So this is how metal undergo reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is one of the method of preparation of sulfur dioxide. Another one method, sulfite. Sulfite is nothing but SO3 2 minus ion. This is called sulfite. Note this spelling, sulfite, Phite, sulfite. When treated with sulfuric acid, acid containing H plus ion, 2H plus ion, I will write the molecular equation. The 2 hydrogen remove 1 oxygen as H2O water molecule and gives sulfur dioxide gas is liberated. For example, sodium sulfite. Sulfite is a 2 minus ion, sodium plus 1. When you write the molecular formula, this valence is here, oxidation state 1 is. So what is the name? Sodium sulfite. Sodium sulfite. When treated with a sulfuric acid, what is the molecular formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Why? How this 2 is obtained? That 2 is HSO4, sulfate valency 2, hydrogen valency 1. Therefore, H2SO4. Hydrogen is a monopositive ion, sulfur is a 2 minus ion. So, which combine with which? This Na plus ion combine with the sulfate 2 minus ion plus combine with the minus. Form sodium sulfate. Sulfate 2 minus ion, sodium plus 1. When you write in class, Na2 here 1 plus. H2 remove 1 oxygen as H2O. H2 remove 1 oxygen as H2O. So remaining you have SO2, liberation of SO2. So these are the method of preparation of sulfur dioxide. First method, burning of sulfur with oxygen, and second method, from sulfide during roasting, zinc blende, galena and iron pyrite during roasting converted into metal oxide along with the sulfur dioxide. In laboratory, metal when treated with sulfuric acid or metal sulfide when treated with sulfuric acid, it produces sulfur dioxide. So these are the preparation of sulfur dioxide. Thank you.